Have you ever been bored with lights at a party? Or have you ever thought about sending Morse code messages through lights? If you answered yes to either one of those questions, then this project is for you. Here is a picture of my complete circuit, and I will explain each of the two functionalities. This is the sound detector board that is a part of my circuit. It picks up sounds through the microphone on the board and outputs 3 outputs on the audio envelope and the gate pin. I've then analyzed these 3 outputs to control the LEDs. The first sound detector that I used was faulty and I was getting incorrect readings, but luckily I was able to get a new one, and you can see what the output should look like next. When the switch is in the on position, or high, that means the circuitry will respond based on the code inside of this if statement, and this analyzes the inputs from the sound detector and controls the color and the brightness of the LEDs. I use the audio input and the Arduino FFT library to calculate the frequency of the sound, which controls the color of the LEDs, and I use the envelope input to calculate the amplitude of the sound, which controls the brightness. The message that you would like displayed in Morse code must be defined in the setup function of the Arduino code. This code is able to depict all alphanumeric characters as well as periods, commas, question marks, and exclamation marks in Morse code. The message is only displayed in Morse code via the LEDs when the switch is in the off or low position.